try to stop the amount of COVID cases from increasing, flattening the curve as well.
A White Rock father-son duo is taking matters into their own hands to create a one-stop shop for potential COVID-19 exposures.
People know this virus is circulating in our communities, but we do not know where. And we as citizens have a right to know what businesses are affected. One of our mottos is, if you know what businesses are affected, you can stop yourself from becoming infected.
Bernard Trest and his 11-year-old son Max recently launched a Facebook page called COVID Reported, showing exactly where possible exposures have occurred across British Columbia. The page also highlights sites where people claim COVID-19 safety measures are not being followed.
What we're requesting is that if someone becomes aware of an exposure event, whether it's at a workplace, a mall, where they work, or so forth, they let us know about it.
Bernard explains all of the information collected is kept anonymous, then verified, tracked, and categorized on a Google map. So far, most reports of possible exposures appear to be at grocery stores, like this No Frills in Vancouver. Its parent company Loblaws confirmed online that a worker tested positive for COVID-19 and last worked on December 23rd.
What we've noticed is what we call repeat offenders. So in that case, you may see a grocery store that has multiple exposure events occurring over and over again, and people aren't aware of this.
Right now, COVID-19 public exposures are posted on the BC Centre for Disease Control and Regional Health Authority websites. In an email, Vancouver Coastal Health says, "We only make public notifications when public health is not able to reach all close contacts and determines it is necessary to inform the public about a potential exposure."
If you look at jurisdictions such as Taiwan, they did implement stricter restrictions in place, but the other reason why their case numbers and deaths are so low is because they're more forthcoming and they provide granular data.
Vancouver Coastal Health also says anonymous tips are not a reliable source of information, cannot be verified by public health authorities, are easily misused, and can lead to stigma. But Bernard argues if BC wants to lower its cases, more transparency is needed.
BC is actually one of the least transparent jurisdictions in regards to data.
At the end of the day, Bernard and Max are hoping to give back to the community by providing this information.
We want to protect the next generation because those are the future generations. We don't even know the lifelong complications from this virus. So we could be like 10 years from now, we could find out that you start having problems.
In Vancouver, Miranda Fatour, City News.